I'm Dr. Kemi Omololu. I'm a clinical pharmacist and medical journalist, as well as a PR specialist in Lagos, Nigeria. We have 22 cases now, 10 new ones. We don't know how Africa is going to survive this if it gets full blown, like what's happening in New York, in Italy, and of course, China and Iran. China is even getting out of it very slowly. But listen to this, guys. I want to talk to Donald Trump. President Donald Trump, we love you. My kids are Republicans, 33, 29, and 19. My 19-year-olds here in Nigeria. The others are over there. I'm concerned about my children. I'm concerned about the American people. I'm concerned myself. This is a pandemic. The whole thing about it is zithromycin and hydroxychloroquine, Plaquenil and Zithromax, that Dr. Stephen Hahn and the FDA want to move fast on. These clinical trials might also have a touch of danger to it. We're talking about some people may die in the process of trying these things. What I am saying, I am not a super scientist or a medical doctor. I'm a clinical pharmacist, and drugs is our area. Plaquenil has some side effects, vision loss, hearing loss. There's a lot of things, even heart problems, that chloroquine can do. And it is a banned drug here in Nigeria. We used to use this stuff like candy when we were young for malaria. It's banned over here. People are hoarding it here. We don't know where they're getting it from, but the pharmacists will be caught. The bottom line is that even if you use antivirals, I'm talking about ritonavir and lopinavir, this HIV stuff, it's still, it's a risk. So you really need that informed consent. We don't have all that in Nigeria here, but over there, we're talking about a really serious problem going on in New York. Informed consent is going to be needed because it's like saying, sign this paper because if you die, we're not responsible. People in Nigeria are self-medicating. We don't regulate pharmacy like you guys over there. I practiced 30 years in America, and I've been in Nigeria for another 8 years. So at the end of the game is my child might be the next child, God forbid, brought into an emergency room because of coronavirus in America. I got 2 over there. So let's move fast, but at the same time, move slow. We can check antibodies in white blood plasma and see if we can fight someone that's already healed.